Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will do the room Snort challenge at the basics on TryHackMe. First I will exit split view because I already opened it TryHackMe browser based. But some is running some errors. Now it's good. So first what you need to do is to start the machine. For this test no answer needed. We are moving to task 2, writing IDC rules, HTTP. And they saying us use the given pickup file, write rules to detect all TCP port 80 traffic packets in the given pickup file. What is the number of detected packets? You must answer these questions correctly before answering the rest of the questions in this task. So basically we need to write the rule and navigate to the task. We see that we have local rules, and I have already prepared in my notes to make it easier. And this is this is the first rule. So nano local rules. Paste alert TCP any 80 message HTTP packet found, SID revision, and here is the same, but here is the change TCP any 80 any. So this is changed, and the SID is changed to 2. Okay. After that, sure. So they saying us we need to answer detected packets. Snort dash C local rules. After that read add mx3 pickup, and then the answer is 328. What is the destination address of the packet 63? Investigate the log file. Now better is to run this command sudo snort -c local rules. Sudo snort -c local rules. After that we have the log file ready for investigating, and read mx3 pickup file. Now we get more information. If I go ls, we have now snort log. And basically, what is the destination address of the packet 63? Sudo snort c local snort -d -read snort, and then number 63. And this is the last one number, and they say us basically what is the destination address of packet 63. Destination address, it should be this one, or this one, this. Yes, what is the acknowledged number of packet 64? For that we need to run one more command. I don't need now -d because this is packet dump. For more information, 64, and now I have packet 64. This is this one, and this thing is acknowledged number, and it should be this one. Yes. What is the SEQ number of packet 62? Again, run the command 62. And the last one, copy, Yes. What is the time to leave a packet 65? Oh, 65. And if I see time to leave here, 128. Yes. Investigate the log file. What is the source IP of packet 65? Again, just change the number. Oh, what is the... This is the same. Source IP, okay. It's my bad. Source IP. It should be this one. Yes, and what is the source port? Okay, finding this. Yes. Great. Moving on task 3, writing IDC rules, FTP. Navigate to task folder, use the given pickup file, write rules to detect all TCP port 21 traffic in the given pickup. What is the number of detected packets? So basically they're saying us we need to make a rule. So back one, change directory to task 3. No local rules, and I will copy that from my notes, task 3, and this is the rule. Alert TCP any port 21. This is the port for FTP, and then message FTP packet found SID, and this is just TCP any 21. Then inbound outbound any message, and SID 22. Okay. Now, what is the number of detected packets? So sudo snort -c local rules -dev -add dot to read FTP, and alert is 614. Is it true? Yes. What is the FTP service name? To do this, that it should be, what was the command? I forget it. Yeah, this is the command, but sudo snort -e-read and snort.log. And what is the message? What is the FTP service name? I will again run this command before this because I have here better look. No, it doesn't write anywhere. You have see here some software, Adobe Imageria, that is one of the answers. But they saying as FTP read, okay. This command. This is the command because that is the command. So paste sudo snort -r snort log -d, then TCP and port 21, and the number I will say 10, only press 10 packets. and saying us no such file or directory. Sudo snort -r snort .log .68 229. I will try like this. Like this, and then -d. I already -d, but I forget to name TCP and port 21 and port 21, and after that number 10. Now should be work. Now we can see Microsoft FTP service. Clear the previous log and alarm files. Deactivate comment on the old rules. Write a rule to detect failed FTP login attempts in the given pickup. What is the number of detected packets? So basically they're saying us the pattern is 530 user, and try to filter the given pattern in the inbound FTP traffic. Sudo remove alert snort anything that is ends with 02. Okay, non-local rules. Deactivated these two, and now we can take this rule. I will take this rule, and this saying alert TCP any message failed FTP login found. The content is 530 user and SID. It should be good. Now to run the command. Where is this command? Local rules dash should be just to read, not to make a start log, and then FTP, and we see 41. Clear the previous log and alarm files. I don't need to clear because I just use this command, and I didn't use -d, -l, and dot for the log file and alert file. So what is the rule to detect successful FTP logins in the given pickup? What is the number of detected packets? Again, we need to make the pattern 230 user and FTP login attempt prompts a default message with the pattern. Okay, so this is the local login failed, login found. And this is the rule. Copy this, paste. So basically any alert TCP any inbound outbound any message FTP login found, content 230 user SID, and this is all. And after we run the command, the number is 1. After that, deactivate comment on the order rule. Write a rule to detect failed FTP logins attempts with a valid username but a bad password or no password. What is the number of detected packets? 331. Okay. No local rules. Deactivate this one. And this is the rule. Failed login found. Basically an alert TCP any message failed login found, content 331, and this is all. This is just the content is another. Okay, run the command 42. Again, write a rule to detect failed FTP login attempts with administrator username, but a bad password or no password. What is the number of detected passwords? And they saying us you can use the content filter more than one time. Local rules. And here I have the another rule. This is the last for this room. Paste, basically the same, but FTP failed login found, and content is 331 password, and content is administrator. And running the command, alert 7. And this is all. Change the directory to the task 4. And we see that we have here pickup file and local roles too. So let's create IDC rules for PNG files in the traffic. Navigate to the task folder, already done. Use the given pickup file. Write a rule to detect PNG file in the given pickup. Investigate the logs and identify the software name embedded in the packet. Task 4. So this is the rule. So basically alert TCP any message PNG file found. Content is this one. How you can find this content? You can just type magical number image. What was that magical number? PNG like that. Try it like that. No, it wasn't Wikipedia. List of signatures, right? That is the one. So PNG, and we see here that is the magical number, and if you paste that in your local rules, you need to have these pipes, because without pipes it won't work. Okay. Yes. And investigate logs, identify the software name embedded in the packet. So we need to make a Snort log. For it we need to run full command local.rules sudo snort local.rules. After that -dev -l dot read ftp one more time. We don't need the number, just investigate. So I will just ls, and here is the Snort log. And they say investigate the logs and identify the software name embedded in the packet. Sudo snort -d -r snort log. It should be working like this. Whoops, what happened? Machine is a little bit confused. So we need to find the software, and we see here that is only the one received. be this, and this Adobe Image Read. Okay, clear the previous log and alarm files. Deactivate comment on this old rule, write a rule to detect the GIF file in the given pickup, investigate the logs and identify the image format embedded in the packet. Oh, clear. Sudo remove alert snort nano local rules, make a new rule, and this is the rule for the GIF, and they think alert TCP any message GIF file found. That is not PNG, it's GIF content is GIF 89A, and how I know that is 89A? If you go and search for GIF, and if you use sometimes these numbers, it won't work. If you use this one, it doesn't work for me because it was not that type of image or GIF file. It's this one, 89A. Because of that, I have this GIF 89A. Okay. So sudo snort dash, they saying us investing logs and identify the image format embedded in the packet. Right. Dash C local rules dash L dot read and FTP, and we get here 4 alerts. And what is the format of the pictures? Sudo snort dash d dash r snort log data dump to see more information, and we see here is the GIF 89A. So moving on task 5, writing IDC rules. Let's create IDC rules for torrent meta files in the traffic. Navigate to task folder, use the given pickup file. Write a rule to detect the torrent meta file in the given pickup. What is the number of detected packets? Torrent meta files have common extensions. Try to filter the given pattern in the TCP traffic. And task 5, we are there. So the rule is this one. Paste alert TCP any message torrent file found, content torrent SID 1 revision 1. And the alerts number is 2. What is the name of the torrent application? Sudo snort dash d dash read and snort log for more information. Name is BitTorrent. What is the MIME? Multi-purpose internet mail extensions type of the torrent meta file. This is the answer, application x/BitTorrent. application x/btorrent. Investigate the log alarm files. What is the host name of the torrent meta file? Host name is tracker2.torrentbox.com. So moving on task 6, troubleshooting rule syntax errors. We see here that we have some rules, and these rules have the errors. If we need to change these rules or just to correct them a little bit. OLS, change directory to task 5. After that, we see here that we have task 6, and change directory task 6, and we have here the rules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 pickup file. We need to override these rules because they have our errors, and then with these rules we need to read this pickup file. And they saying us first sudo snort fix the syntax error in local1 rules file and make it work smoothly. What is the number of detected packets? We will not save this. Nano local1 rules, and already this is good here, but they need to be space between this. Okay, sudo snort -c local1 rules and read mx1 pickup file, and the answer is 16. Fix the syntax error in local2 rules file and make it work smoothly. What is the number of detected packets? So the same command, but 2, and alert the ICMP any message troubleshooting 2, SID right, this is the TCP any and no port or not any, not nothing, so it now should be work. Running the command, and it's 68. Fix the syntax error in local3 rules file and make it work smoothly. What is the number of detected packets? So ls nano moving to 3, SID should be unique. Okay, it's already good here, space is there, message found, SID 1, okay, 1 is all good here. Here is good, SID should be 2 and 2. I think it's all okay here. Sorting 87. Okay, fix the syntax error in local4 rules and make it work smoothly. Semicolons matters. Nano 4 alert ICMP let TCP any 8080, this is all good. SCP packet found, okay. SID 0 revision 1, and here is the semicolon. It's SID 2 2. 90 and fix the syntax error in local 5 rows and make it work smoothly. Direction and columns. Now they're saying us we have only out but not inbound in Snort. So this is the error. Now should be work. Let's see here that we have some errors. SID, it's all good here. Okay, SID. This one is error 2. Okay, revision should be 2. And here, like this, SID 113. It's good. Revision 3. Okay, run the command. 5 155. Nice. For the local 6 rules, case sensitivity matters, use the capitals or no case. So nano 6, and they again saying us alert TCP any, this is all good, request. And as I just said before, sometimes these numbers don't work and you just need the number, type something else, and we just make content as get, and now it should work. 6, right, it's working. Alerts is 2. Now we are moving to local 7 rules. Rules without messages doesn't make sense, and nano local, easier like this. And we see that we don't have here message, so normally it should be like this, message and then message, something in like this, and that should be work, but you need to type some in the message. Okay, but they don't have something, we don't need something to do, just say what is the required option, and that is the message. So moving on to task 7, using external rules MS17 0 0 1 0. Let's use external rules to fight against the latest threats. Navigate to text folder, use the given pickup file, use the given rule file local rules to investigate the MS1710 exploitation. What is the number of detected packets? Task 7, and we see here that we have 2 rules. This rule is for us to see the number of the alerts. Sudo snort -c local.rules, after that dev l dot and read ms1. So we have already rule here, just need to investigate, and that is a lot of traffic going on. Now they're saying us, what is MS17101? MS17101. Okay. CVE to see CV number. And this is the exploit because the attacker can take remote access from us. CVC score is 9.3, and we see here that is the number of alerts or of detected packets. Use local 1 rules empty file to write a new rule to detect payloads containing the /IPC $ keyword. What is the number of detected packets? The content option will help you to filter the payload. So we need to use nano, yes, local one rules, because this is the empty one. I need to write some rule, and the rule is this one. Alert TCP, any message is IPC keyword is found, the content is IPC $. That's all. And should we remove this alerts and all? Need to see. Clear, yes. So we remove alert, snort. Nice. So the snort dash C local rules, local one rules. Now we're using not local rules, we are using local one rules using. So dash dev dash l dot read ms1. Now we are trying to find the IPC keyword with this rule, and what is the number of detected packets. This pickup file is learned. Okay, alerts only 12. Okay. Investigate the log alarm files. What is the requested path? Ends with APC /$. So normally I should use this command sudo snort dash d dash read and snort file for more information, and the path should be this one. Copy. I will remove these numbers. And these numbers too. No, something's wrong. Should like this, and like this, and this. No, I forget it, but it was 16. I'm sure this is the path. This is the path. I'm sure about it. But these numbers need to be undone, and the numbers should be replaced. Without IP, trying like this. So, and this one. Now no, doesn't work. And with IPC, this is the and this is the replace that replace. And why is it working? I don't know. No. Sorry guys, this is taking so much time, but I just want to answer. I did it before and I just removed these numbers and it worked, but now I'm not sure why it's not working. What I did before, I did like this, copy, paste, I remove these numbers, and this, but now it's not working. And this, I'm sure that this is answer this. I will try this one. No. Oh, but why it's not working? It should be this. Okay. Ends with IPC4. Now I get it. This. Now it's working. Oh my god. Oh, so much trouble about this light. So, and I forget it what it was. So what is the CVSS version 2 score of the MS vulnerability? And like I said, is 9.3. Okay, using external rules log 4. So moving on the task 8. Use the given pickup file, use the given file rule file local.rules to investigate the log for exploitation. What is the number of packets? So change directory to task 8, the last one, nano-local.rules. There are the rules, it's already prepared. You just need to investigate, to run the sudo and snort, to run the snort, sudo snort -c local.rules -dev -l -dot -r and log4. Oh, the last answer was a little bit complicated, right? So the alerts is 26. Investigate the log alarm files, how many rules were triggered. So if you do get alert, we see here that is the rule. This one, that is the rule, 30, 31, 28, 26. But we need to number them. How we can do that? I have here the command, and the command for task 8 that will be get alert grep and this. So we said before that I will just do one more time, get alert, and this is how it starts with 1 column 210037, and then these two numbers are another 31, 30, they are different, 28. So if I do command this, wait a moment, to grep, paste, and now I can grep one column and first 6 numbers and anything that is after that, and now I can see the rules that are triggered, and we will number that. Here is the 1, 26, 30, that is 2, that is the same, that is 3 numbers. So looking down, it is all same. This is the 4th. So the answer is 4. What are the fixed 6 digits of the triggered rule size? Starts with 21. So they think I start with 21. First 6 are this one. Now they are saying I split the previous log and alarm files, use the local 1 rules empty file to write a new rule to detect packet payloads between 770 and 855 bytes. What is the number of detected packets? And they saying us the size options will help you to filter the payload size. So nano local 1 rules, this one should be empty, it's empty. Rule I have already prepared. This is the rule. And if you don't know how to find this size, this number for Snort, you need to Google it. But now you know, and you can take it for your notes. And if you ever will work with Snort in your future, you have this option in your notes. Okay. And the message is abnormal packet size detected, and this is size, and this is all. Now I should run the command sudo snort -c local 1 rules. Don't take local rules, local 1 rules, and -dev-l dot read and log4. Now we should be defined the packet payloads between these numbers. 41. Yes. Investigate the log alarm files. What is the name of the used encoding algorithm? Oh, sudo snort -d. It should be -d. -read, yes, -read snort and -d and -n numbers. And what is the name of the encoding algorithm? We have 41 number in this task. They saying us no file, no such file in the directory. Sudo snort -r snort. We have 2 files here. I will take 638, I think that is the right one, and then -d -n41. I forgot probably to clear this previous one. And there is the 41. And looking here, that is the base, answer is base 64. That is the encoding algorithm. What is the IP ID of the corresponding packet? IP ID TCP time to Litos ID. This is the code encoded command. What is the attacker command? So basically base 64. This is the base 64. If you don't know what is the base 64, you need to learn. And I will copy all of that. And base 64 is from K to this slash. Okay, from here to this. This is basics for this one. I need to delete. I will use CyberChef. So from base 64, CyberChef, delete these numbers. And now this is not the answer. Did I miss something? Probably. So like this, all of that. Copy. Now delete. And this is the answer. Copy. What is the CFCC version 2 score of the log4 vulnerability? Log4 score. Log score. And they saying us if you wonder, hey, by score is 10, but if you click here, they saying us version 2, it's 9.3. And thank you all guys for the watching. This video was a little bit longer, but it was a lot of work. And if I did the manually this all alerts, and if you do all manually all these rules, I need 2 hours for this video or more, so I don't want to make that so longer. I just prepared it in my app notes, and I use the copy and paste, and I can't remember all these rules, so it's easier to work like this. And I hope so that you like the video, and thank you for watching.